From Plate to Lifespan, The Impact of Diet on Aging, compiled by designer, edited by Sirapong Malasri. Aging understanding aging is a natural process that affects us all, yet our understanding of it is often clouded by myths and misconceptions. As we grow older, our bodies undergo various changes, including a decline in cellular function and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Recognizing these changes can empower individuals to make informed dietary choices that may enhance their longevity and quality of life. By embracing a comprehensive approach to nutrition, we can potentially mitigate some of the adverse effects associated with aging. Diet plays a pivotal role in the aging process, and research has shown that certain dietary patterns can promote longer, healthier lives. For instance, the Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, has been linked to reduced inflammation and lower risks of heart disease. This diet not only nourishes the body but also supports cognitive health, which is essential as we age. Incorporating such diets into our daily lives can significantly impact our lifespan and overall well-being. In addition to well-known diets like the Mediterranean, there is growing interest in plant-based diets for longevity. These diets, abundant in antioxidants and phytochemicals, can combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two key contributors to the aging process. Foods such as nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains nourish the body while providing essential nutrients that support healthy aging. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can be a powerful step towards enhancing longevity and vitality. Superfoods, often hailed for their exceptional nutritional profiles, also play a crucial role in promoting longevity. Foods like berries, leafy greens, and fatty fish are packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that protect against age-related decline. Furthermore, traditional diets from longevity hotspots around the world, such as the Japanese diet, showcase the benefits of incorporating local, seasonal ingredients that are rich in nutrients and promote wellness. These dietary traditions offer valuable insights into how we can eat for a longer, healthier life. Lastly, it is important to consider the role of nutritional supplements in supporting longevity. While a balanced diet should be the priority, certain supplements can enhance our nutritional intake and address specific deficiencies that may arise with age. For example, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and antioxidants may support brain health and reduce inflammation. By combining dietary wisdom with appropriate supplementation, we can create a holistic approach to aging gracefully and healthily. The role of nutrition in lifespan nutrition plays a pivotal role in determining lifespan and overall health. A well-balanced diet not only nourishes the body, but also acts as a foundation for longevity. Research shows that the types of foods we consume can significantly impact our biological age, influencing everything from cellular repair to chronic disease prevention. Consequently, understanding the relationship between nutrition and lifespan is essential for anyone wishing to enhance their quality of life as they age. Plant-based diets have emerged as a powerful ally in the quest for longevity. Rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, these diets are packed with nutrients that bolster the immune system and reduce inflammation. Studies indicate that individuals adhering to plant-based diets tend to have lower incidences of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. By prioritizing plant foods, people not only improve their health but also contribute to environmental sustainability, making this choice beneficial on multiple fronts. The Mediterranean diet is another noteworthy dietary pattern linked to increased lifespan. Characterized by high consumption of olive oil, fish, nuts, and fresh produce, this diet has been associated with improved heart health and cognitive function. The inclusion of anti-inflammatory foods such as tomatoes and leafy greens helps combat age-related diseases. Additionally, the Mediterranean lifestyle emphasizes social connections and physical activity, both of which are crucial for a healthy, long life. Anti-inflammatory diets, which focus on reducing chronic inflammation through specific food choices, have gained attention for their role in longevity. These diets typically include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. By minimizing inflammation, which is linked to numerous age-related conditions, individuals can significantly enhance their overall health and well-being. This approach highlights the importance of choosing the right foods to support a longer, healthier life. Incorporating superfoods into one's diet can also play a significant role in promoting longevity. Foods such as berries, nuts, and green tea are celebrated for their high antioxidant content and health benefits. Traditional diets from longevity hotspots around the world, such as the Japanese diet rich in fish and fermented foods, offer valuable insights into the nutritional habits that support longer lifespans. By embracing these dietary principles and considering nutritional supplements where appropriate, individuals can take proactive steps toward enhancing their longevity and life quality. Overview of longevity diets. Longevity diets are increasingly gaining attention for their potential to extend lifespan and enhance quality of life. These diets, which often emphasize whole, nutrient-dense foods, have been studied for their role in reducing the risk of age-related diseases and promoting overall health. By focusing on the types of food consumed rather than merely calorie restriction, longevity diets offer a more holistic approach to healthy aging. Among the most prominent longevity diets is the Mediterranean diet, which is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats such as olive oil. This dietary pattern has been linked to numerous health benefits, including lower rates of cardiovascular disease and cognitive decline. The Mediterranean diet not only promotes longevity through its anti-inflammatory properties, but also encourages social eating practices that enhance mental well-being, thus contributing to a longer, healthier life. Plant-based diets are another significant aspect of longevity eating. Research indicates that diets abundant in plant foods can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support a healthy lifespan. By prioritizing vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, individuals following a plant-based diet benefit from essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are critical factors in the aging process. In addition to specific dietary patterns, certain superfoods have gained prominence for their longevity-promoting properties. Foods like blueberries, nuts, and fatty fish are celebrated for their rich nutrient profiles and bioactive compounds that support cellular health. Integrating these superfoods into daily meals can enhance nutritional intake and provide a robust defense against age-related decline. Lastly, traditional diets from longevity hotspots, such as those found in Okinawa, Japan, offer valuable insights into the relationship between food and lifespan. These diets are often characterized by high vegetable intake, moderate fish consumption, and low levels of processed foods. Alongside nutritional supplements that can fill dietary gaps, these traditional practices highlight the importance of cultural eating habits in fostering long-term health and vitality. Key principles of longevity-focused eating for longevity is rooted in several key principles that not only promote a longer life, but also enhance overall health and vitality. One of the fundamental aspects of longevity-focused eating is the emphasis on whole, plant-based foods. These foods, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fibers, provide essential nutrients while minimizing the intake of processed ingredients that can lead to chronic diseases. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into daily meals is a simple yet effective strategy for promoting longevity. Another crucial principle is the Mediterranean diet, renowned for its heart-healthy fats and anti-inflammatory properties. This diet prioritizes olive oil, nuts, fish, and whole grains, all of which contribute to reduced inflammation and improved cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that adhering to a Mediterranean dietary pattern can significantly extend lifespan and reduce the risk of age-related diseases, making it a popular choice among those seeking to enhance their longevity. In addition to dietary patterns, the concept of mindful eating plays a vital role in longevity-focused diets. This practice encourages individuals to pay attention to hunger cues, enjoy their food, and avoid distractions during meals. By fostering a deeper connection with the eating experience, mindful eating can help regulate portion sizes and promote healthier food choices, ultimately supporting a longer and healthier life. Superfoods also deserve mention in the conversation about longevity. Foods such as berries, leafy greens, and legumes are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a significant contributor to aging. Including these superfoods in one's diet can provide a powerful boost to overall health and longevity, reinforcing the idea that what we eat directly impacts how we age. Lastly, it is essential to recognize the value of traditional diets from longevity hotspots, such as the Japanese diet. This diet is characterized by a high intake of fish, vegetables, and fermented foods, which contribute to the exceptional longevity observed in these populations. By exploring and integrating elements from various traditional diets, individuals can cultivate a personalized approach to eating that maximizes health span and lifespan, creating a sustainable path towards longevity. Benefits of plant-based eating. Plant-based eating offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere nutrition. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods derived from plants, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. These diets are rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, promoting overall health and potentially extending lifespan. Embracing a plant-based diet means embracing a vibrant array of fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, each contributing essential nutrients that support bodily functions and enhance vitality. Moreover, plant-based diets are inherently low in saturated fats and high in fiber. This unique combination aids in maintaining a healthy weight, which is crucial for longevity. Studies show that individuals who adhere to plant-based diets often experience lower body mass indices and improved metabolic health. The fiber content helps regulate digestion, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and reduces cholesterol, all of which are pivotal factors in promoting a longer and healthier life. In addition to physical health benefits, adopting a plant-based lifestyle can also positively impact mental well-being. Research indicates that diets rich in fruits and vegetables are linked to improved mood and cognitive function. The nutrients found in plant foods, such as omega-3 fatty acids from flax seeds and walnuts, play a crucial role in brain health. By nourishing the body with plant-based foods, individuals may not only enhance their physical health but also foster a more optimistic and resilient mindset. Furthermore, the environmental advantages of plant-based eating cannot be overlooked. By reducing reliance on animal products, individuals contribute to lower greenhouse gas emissions and a decrease in resource consumption. This shift not only benefits personal health but also promotes a sustainable future for the planet. In this way, plant-based diets embody a holistic approach to health that encompasses individual, societal, and environmental well-being, making them a powerful ally in the quest for longevity. Lastly, the social aspect of plant-based eating fosters a sense of community and shared experience. Cooking and sharing meals centered around plant-based ingredients can strengthen bonds among family and friends. This social connection, combined with the health benefits of a well-rounded plant-based diet, creates a nurturing environment conducive to longevity. Thus, embracing plant-based eating is not only a choice for personal health, but a lifestyle that encourages collective well-being and a brighter future for all. Case studies, long-lived populations, and exploring the diets of long-lived populations, we can uncover invaluable insights into the secret of longevity. Regions such as Okinawa in Japan and the Mediterranean islands exemplify how traditional diets can contribute significantly to lifespan and health. The common thread among these populations is their reliance on whole, plant-based foods, rich in nutrients and low in processed ingredients. This dietary pattern not only nourishes the body but also supports a vibrant, active lifestyle well into old age. The Mediterranean diet, characterized by its emphasis on olive oil, fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, has long been celebrated for its health benefits. Research indicates that this diet not only reduces the risk of chronic diseases but also promotes longevity. The inclusion of fish and moderate wine consumption further enhances its appeal, demonstrating how cultural eating patterns can align with health outcomes. This blend of flavors and nutrients fosters a communal dining experience, reinforcing social ties that contribute to overall well-being. In contrast, the Okinawan diet is predominantly plant-based, featuring sweet potatoes, green leafy vegetables, and tofu. This diet is low in calories yet dense in nutrients, which supports a healthy weight and reduces the risk of age-related illnesses. Moreover, the Okinawans practice a principle known as hara hachaibu, which encourages them to eat until they are 80% full, promoting mindful eating and preventing overeating. Such practices highlight the importance of not just what we eat, but how we consume our food. Another noteworthy approach to longevity is the anti-inflammatory diet, which focuses on foods that combat inflammation and oxidative stress. This diet is rich in antioxidants found in berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables, and it limits processed sugars and unhealthy fats. By prioritizing foods that reduce inflammation, individuals can potentially stave off chronic diseases and enhance their quality of life as they age. This diet, combined with physical activity, has been linked to increased longevity and vitality. Finally, superfoods such as blueberries, turmeric, and fatty fish have garnered attention for their potential to enhance health and longevity. These nutrient-dense foods provide essential vitamins and minerals that support bodily functions and combat the effects of aging. Incorporating these superfoods into a balanced diet, whether it be Mediterranean, Okinawan, or otherwise, can create a holistic approach to health that transcends mere survival, nurturing a vibrant, long life. Exploring the Mediterranean lifestyle is more than just a diet. It is a way of living that encompasses a holistic approach to health and well-being. This lifestyle is characterized by a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, particularly olive oil. It promotes not only nutritious eating, but also regular physical activity, social interaction, and a balanced approach to life. Embracing this lifestyle has been linked to increased longevity and a reduced risk of chronic diseases, making it a compelling model for those seeking to enhance their lifespan. One of the cornerstones of the Mediterranean diet is its emphasis on plant-based foods. Fresh produce, legumes, nuts, and seeds are staples that provide essential nutrients and antioxidants. These foods are not only beneficial for physical health but also contribute to mental well-being. The anti-inflammatory properties of many Mediterranean foods help combat oxidative stress, a significant factor in aging. By incorporating these plant-based elements into daily meals, individuals can create a diet that supports longevity and vitality. Another significant aspect of the Mediterranean lifestyle is the inclusion of healthy fats, particularly from sources like olive oil and fatty fish. These fats are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to support heart health and reduce inflammation. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet encourages moderate consumption of dairy and lean proteins, which further enhance its nutritional profile. This balanced approach allows individuals to enjoy a variety of flavors while reaping the benefits of a diet designed to support a longer, healthier life. Social connections play a vital role in the Mediterranean way of life, where meals are often shared with family and friends. This emphasis on communal eating not only enhances the enjoyment of food but also fosters a sense of belonging and support. Studies have shown that strong social ties are associated with improved health outcomes and longevity. Therefore, the Mediterranean lifestyle encourages not just the consumption of healthy foods, but also the cultivation of meaningful relationships, which are essential for overall well-being. In conclusion, exploring the Mediterranean lifestyle offers valuable insights into how dietary choices can influence longevity. By focusing on plant-based foods, healthy fats, and the importance of social connections, individuals can adopt practices that promote a longer, healthier life. This holistic approach, rooted in tradition and community, can serve as an inspiration for anyone looking to enhance their diet and improve their overall quality of life. Health benefits linked to lifespan. The connection between diet and lifespan is a topic of considerable interest, as numerous studies highlight the profound impact that nutritional choices can have on our health. Embracing a diet rich in whole foods, particularly plant-based options, is linked to a longer and healthier life. This is evident in various longevity hotspots around the globe, where traditional diets, such as those found in the Mediterranean region, play a crucial role in promoting well-being and extending lifespan. Plant-based diets, characterized by their emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, have been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. These diets are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two significant contributors to aging. In contrast, diets high in processed foods can lead to detrimental health outcomes, underscoring the importance of choosing natural, wholesome ingredients. The Mediterranean diet, in particular, has gained recognition for its numerous health benefits. Rich in healthy fats, such as olive oil, and abundant in fresh produce, this diet not only supports cardiovascular health but also enhances cognitive function. Research indicates that following this dietary pattern can lead to a reduction in mortality rates, making it a compelling option for those seeking to increase their longevity. Anti-inflammatory diets are another key aspect of longevity-focused nutrition. By incorporating foods known for their anti-inflammatory properties, such as fatty fish, nuts, and colorful fruits and vegetables, individuals can lower their risk of developing age-related diseases. This approach not only promotes overall health but also contributes to a more vibrant and energetic life as we age. Finally, the inclusion of superfoods and nutritional supplements can further support longevity. Traditional diets, like those of the Japanese, often feature superfoods such as green tea and fermented products, which are linked to extended lifespan. By understanding and adopting these dietary practices, individuals can take proactive steps towards enhancing their health and longevity, ensuring a fulfilling life well into their later years. The science of inflammation and aging. Inflammation is a natural response of the body's immune system, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a multitude of health issues, particularly as we age. This process is closely linked to the degeneration of tissues and the development of age-related diseases, such as Alzheimer's, heart disease, and diabetes. Understanding the science behind inflammation and its role in aging is crucial for implementing dietary changes that promote longevity and overall well-being. Research has shown that certain diets can significantly reduce inflammation and in turn enhance lifespan. For instance, the Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, has been associated with lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body. This diet not only aids in maintaining a healthy weight, but also promotes heart health, which is essential for longevity. Incorporating foods from this diet can help mitigate the effects of chronic inflammation. Moreover, plant-based diets have gained attention for their potential to combat inflammation. These diets are abundant in antioxidants and phytochemicals that protect cells from damage and reduce inflammatory responses. Superfoods such as berries, nuts, and leafy greens are particularly beneficial, as they provide essential nutrients while fighting oxidative stress. Adopting a diet centered around these foods can lead to a healthier and longer life. The concept of traditional diets from longevity hotspots, such as Okinawa in Japan, also underscores the importance of dietary choices in managing inflammation. These diets are often lower in calories and rich in nutrient-dense foods, which contribute to reduced inflammation and enhanced health. Nutritional supplements, when used wisely, can further support these dietary efforts by providing additional anti-inflammatory benefits, helping individuals to thrive as they age. In conclusion, understanding the science of inflammation and its impact on aging can empower individuals to make informed dietary choices. By embracing anti-inflammatory diets, including elements from the Mediterranean and traditional Japanese diets, one can significantly enhance their health and longevity. The journey toward a longer life begins on your plate, and every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and combat the effects of aging. Foods that combat inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of the body, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, particularly as we age. This subchapter explores foods that not only combat inflammation but also enhance longevity. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into our diet can play a significant role in promoting a healthier life, allowing us to enjoy our later years with vitality and energy. One of the most effective dietary approaches to combat inflammation is the Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. This diet has been linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation and a longer lifespan. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to lower markers of inflammation in the body. Plant-based diets are also gaining recognition for their anti-inflammatory effects. Foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens are packed with antioxidants and other compounds that help reduce inflammation. These diets not only promote overall health but also align with traditional diets from longevity hotspots, where people tend to live longer, healthier lives. Emphasizing whole, plant-based foods can be a powerful strategy for those seeking longevity and improved well-being. Additionally, incorporating superfoods like turmeric and fatty fish into your meals can provide a potent anti-inflammatory boost. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation levels significantly. Fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, offer similar benefits and support heart health, which is crucial as we age. By focusing on these nutrient-dense foods, we can create a diet that not only combats inflammation but also supports our overall health. In conclusion, the foods we choose to consume can profoundly impact our health and lifespan. By embracing anti-inflammatory diets, such as the Mediterranean and plant-based diets, we can harness the power of nutrition to combat inflammation and promote longevity. Adopting these dietary changes can lead to a more vibrant life, allowing us to thrive as we age, proving that what we put on our plates truly matters for our future. Understanding low-carb approaches. Low-carbohydrate diets have gained significant attention in recent years, particularly for their potential benefits on longevity and overall health. By reducing the intake of carbohydrates, these diets aim to shift the body's metabolism from relying on glucose to utilizing fat as a primary energy source. This metabolic shift can lead to weight loss and improved blood sugar control, both of which are crucial factors in reducing the risk of age-related diseases. One of the most popular low-carb approaches is the ketogenic diet, which emphasizes high-fat and moderate protein intake while severely restricting carbohydrates. Research indicates that ketogenic diets may influence lifespan positively by enhancing mitochondrial function and reducing inflammation. This is particularly relevant in the context of aging, as maintaining cellular health is vital for longevity. In addition to ketogenic diets, other low-carb variations, such as the Atkins and paleo diets, focus on whole foods and minimal processed ingredients. These diets not only promote weight loss but also encourage the consumption of nutrient-dense foods, which can provide essential vitamins and minerals for optimal health. Integrating more plant-based foods into low-carb diets can further bolster their benefits, as many plant foods are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Moreover, traditional diets from longevity hotspots, such as the Mediterranean and Japanese diets, often incorporate low-carb principles while prioritizing fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These diets have been associated with reduced risks of chronic diseases and increased lifespan, highlighting the importance of dietary patterns that support metabolic health. As the understanding of low-carb approaches continues to evolve, it is crucial to recognize that individual responses to these diets may vary. While low-carb diets can offer substantial benefits for some, it is essential to approach any dietary change with consideration for one's unique health needs and lifestyle. Consulting a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance, ensuring that dietary choices contribute positively to lifelong health and longevity. Potential benefits for longevity. The pursuit of longevity is a topic that has captivated human interest for centuries. As we explore the potential benefits for longevity, it becomes evident that diet plays a pivotal role in determining not just the length of life, but the quality of those years. An increasing body of research highlights how various dietary patterns, particularly plant-based and Mediterranean diets, contribute to a longer, healthier life. These diets, rich in nutrients and low in processed foods, create a foundation for optimal health and vitality as one ages. Plant-based diets, which emphasize fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, are particularly beneficial for longevity. They are abundant in antioxidants, fiber, and essential vitamins, all of which combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two significant factors linked to aging. Studies have shown that individuals who adhere to plant-based diets tend to have lower incidences of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, all of which can shorten lifespan. The Mediterranean diet deserves special mention due to its holistic approach to eating, characterized by a high intake of olive oil, fish, nuts, and seasonal vegetables. This diet not only supports cardiovascular health but also enhances cognitive function. The synergy of these foods, coupled with a lifestyle that encourages physical activity and social interactions, creates an environment conducive to longevity. This traditional way of eating has been associated with reduced mortality rates and improved overall well-being, particularly in the aging population. In addition to these diets, the incorporation of superfoods, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts, can further enhance longevity. These foods are packed with nutrients that support cellular health and reduce inflammation. Nutritional supplements, when used wisely, can also play a vital role in filling dietary gaps and ensuring that the body receives the essential nutrients needed for optimal functioning as we age. However, it is crucial to approach supplementation with care, prioritizing a well-rounded diet first. Lastly, traditional diets from longevity hotspots, such as the Japanese diet, offer invaluable insights into living longer and healthier lives. The Japanese diet, rich in seafood, fermented foods, and seasonal vegetables, not only nourishes the body but also promotes a mindful approach to eating. By appreciating the cultural practices surrounding food, we can learn to embrace a lifestyle that values nutrition, balance, and moderation, ultimately paving the way for a longer, more fulfilling life. Defining superfoods are often hailed as the nutritional powerhouses of our diets, boasting an array of health benefits that can significantly impact our longevity. These foods, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, are believed to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two key contributors to the aging process. By incorporating superfoods into our daily meals, we not only enhance our overall well-being but also potentially extend our lifespan through improved health outcomes. The term superfood is not scientifically defined, yet it has gained popularity in the culinary and health communities. Foods such as berries, leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish are frequently classified as superfoods due to their concentrated nutrient profiles. For instance, blueberries are renowned for their high levels of antioxidants, while salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, both of which have been linked to reduced inflammation and enhanced brain health. Understanding what qualifies a food as super can empower individuals to make informed dietary choices that favor longevity. In the context of various diets aimed at promoting longevity, superfoods play a crucial role. The Mediterranean diet, for example, emphasizes the consumption of plant-based foods, healthy fats, and lean proteins, integrating superfoods such as olive oil and legumes. Similarly, traditional diets from longevity hotspots, such as the Japanese diet, prioritize fresh, seasonal ingredients that are often considered superfoods. This connection highlights the importance of not only choosing the right foods, but also embracing dietary patterns that support a longer, healthier life. Moreover, the incorporation of superfoods into low-carb and anti-inflammatory diets can yield remarkable benefits. Many superfoods are naturally low in carbohydrates, making them suitable for those seeking to manage their blood sugar levels while still reaping nutritional rewards. Foods like avocados and chia seeds offer healthy fats and fiber without the carb load, complementing longevity-focused dietary plans. This adaptability makes superfoods a versatile choice for anyone aiming to enhance their diet for better health outcomes. Ultimately, the journey towards longevity is not solely about individual superfoods, but rather about creating a balanced diet that includes a variety of these nutrient-dense options. By embracing the concept of superfoods within the framework of a wholesome diet, individuals can take significant strides towards improving their health and extending their lifespan. Whether through plant-based meals or Mediterranean-inspired dishes, the inclusion of superfoods can be a delicious and effective strategy for promoting longevity in our lives. Top superfoods for lifespan extension. In the quest for longevity, certain superfoods have emerged as key players in promoting a longer, healthier life. These nutrient-dense foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to the aging process. Incorporating superfoods such as berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds into our diets can significantly enhance our overall health and extend our lifespan. The Mediterranean diet, renowned for its health benefits, emphasizes the inclusion of superfoods that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Olive oil, a staple of this diet, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which contribute to heart health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, fish, particularly fatty varieties like salmon and sardines, provide essential omega-3 fatty acids that support cognitive function and lower inflammation. Plant-based diets, which focus heavily on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, are also linked to increased longevity. Superfoods such as quinoa, lentils, and kale are not only high in fiber but also provide essential amino acids and vitamins that promote overall well-being. Research has shown that those who adhere to plant-based diets tend to have lower rates of heart disease and other age-related illnesses, making them an excellent choice for those seeking to live longer. Traditional diets from longevity hotspots around the world, such as Okinawa and Japan, showcase the power of superfoods in promoting a long life. The Okinawan diet, rich in sweet potatoes, green leafy vegetables, and tofu, is known for its low-calorie yet nutrient-dense approach. This diet, combined with a lifestyle that includes physical activity and social connections, contributes to the remarkable longevity of its people. Finally, nutritional supplements can complement a diet rich in superfoods, further supporting longevity. Supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and probiotics can enhance the health benefits of a nutritious diet. However, it is crucial to prioritize whole foods first, as they provide a synergistic effect that isolated supplements cannot replicate. Embracing a diverse range of superfoods can set the foundation for a longer, healthier life. Hotspots. Lessons from Blue Zones. The Blue Zones, regions where people live significantly longer than average, offer invaluable lessons on diet and lifestyle that can enhance our own longevity. These areas, including Okinawa in Japan, Sardinia in Italy, and Nicoya in Costa Rica, showcase diets rich in plant-based foods, fresh produce, and healthy fats. Observing the eating habits of these communities reveals a common thread: a focus on whole, minimally processed foods that are not only nutritious but also promote longevity through their anti-inflammatory properties. In Okinawa, for instance, the traditional diet is largely plant-based, featuring sweet potatoes, tofu, and a variety of vegetables. This diet is low in calories yet high in essential nutrients, helping to combat the effects of aging. The Okinawan practice of hara hachaibu, or eating until 80% full, further supports a balanced approach to food intake, reducing the risk of obesity and its associated health issues. Such mindful eating habits are crucial lessons for anyone seeking to adopt a longevity-focused diet. Sardinia's Mediterranean diet also plays a vital role in the region's impressive lifespan. Rich in olives, nuts, whole grains, and fish, this diet is celebrated for its heart-healthy benefits. The abundance of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids found in Sardinian cuisine not only support cardiovascular health, but also reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in the aging process. Integrating elements of the Mediterranean diet into our daily meals can foster a more balanced approach to nutrition while promoting a longer, healthier life. The Nicoyan diet, characterized by beans, corn, and tropical fruits, provides yet another perspective on longevity. The nutritional profile of these foods is dense in fiber and essential vitamins, contributing to a robust immune system and overall wellness. Additionally, traditional Japanese diets emphasize the consumption of fish, rice, and vegetables, which are low in saturated fats and high in nutrients, further highlighting the importance of dietary choices in promoting longevity. Finally, the lessons from Blue Zones extend beyond mere food choices. They encompass a holistic approach to life that includes physical activity, strong social ties, and a sense of purpose. By adopting dietary practices from these longevity hotspots and embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes health and community, we can significantly enhance our chances of living longer, vibrant lives. The pursuit of longevity is not just about what we eat, but how we live, fostering a comprehensive approach to health that can benefit us all. Cultural approaches to healthy eating reflect the diverse ways in which different societies understand nutrition and its impact on longevity. From the Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, to the traditional Japanese diet, which emphasizes seasonal produce and fish, these dietary patterns offer valuable insights into maintaining health as we age. Each culture has developed unique food practices based on local ingredients and historical contexts, contributing to the overall well-being of their populations. In Mediterranean regions, the emphasis on plant-based foods, olive oil, and moderate wine consumption has been linked to lower rates of chronic diseases and longer life expectancy. The principles of this diet encourage a lifestyle that includes not just healthy eating, but also social interactions during meals, promoting mental well-being alongside physical health. This holistic approach to eating demonstrates how cultural traditions can influence longevity and quality of life. Similarly, traditional diets from longevity hotspots such as Okinawa in Japan showcase the importance of nutrient-dense foods. Okinawans consume a variety of vegetables, legumes, and fish while maintaining a low-calorie intake. Their focus on portion control and the consumption of superfoods like sweet potatoes and seaweed provides a template for those looking to enhance their longevity through diet. This cultural wisdom highlights the potential of integrating traditional practices into modern eating habits. Anti-inflammatory diets have also gained popularity, with various cultures recognizing the importance of reducing inflammation through food. Diets rich in antioxidants, such as those found in berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables, are celebrated across different cultures for their role in disease prevention. By incorporating these foods into our daily meals, we can adopt a more health-conscious approach that aligns with the practices of long-living communities worldwide. Finally, the role of nutritional supplements in promoting longevity cannot be overlooked. While many cultures rely on whole foods for their nutritional needs, the increasing availability of supplements offers a modern twist to traditional diets. The challenge lies in balancing these supplements with a foundation of wholesome, culturally relevant foods that have stood the test of time. Embracing these diverse cultural approaches to healthy eating can inspire individuals to create their own personalized diets that support longevity and overall wellness. Longevity overview of key supplements in the quest for longevity. A variety of dietary supplements have gained attention for their potential health benefits. Among these, vitamins and minerals play a fundamental role, with antioxidants such as vitamin C and E being touted for their ability to combat oxidative stress. This oxidative stress is a significant factor in the aging process, and by neutralizing free radicals, these vitamins may contribute to a longer, healthier life. Furthermore, minerals like magnesium and zinc are crucial for maintaining cellular health and supporting metabolic functions, making them essential components of a longevity-focused diet. Another category of supplements that has piqued interest is omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil. These fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and arthritis. The Mediterranean diet, rich in omega-3s through fish, nuts, and seeds, exemplifies how dietary choices can enhance longevity. By incorporating these supplements or foods into our diets, we can potentially improve our overall health and extend our lifespan. Plant-based supplements have also emerged as a popular choice, particularly in the context of diets for longevity. Ingredients such as turmeric with its active compound curcumin have shown promise in reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. These plant-derived supplements are not only beneficial for longevity, but also align with the principles of a plant-based diet, which focuses on whole, minimally processed foods for optimal health. Their integration into daily nutrition may serve as a bridge between traditional dietary practices and modern health science. Superfoods, a term often used to describe nutrient-dense foods, are another vital aspect of the supplements landscape. Foods like blueberries, kale, and quinoa are celebrated for their high levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These superfoods can be easily incorporated into various diets, including low-carb and anti-inflammatory diets, providing a concentrated source of nutrients that support longevity. By prioritizing these foods, individuals can make significant strides towards enhancing their health and prolonging their lives. Lastly, traditional diets from longevity hotspots, such as the Japanese diet, offer valuable insights into how cultural eating patterns contribute to aging well. The Japanese diet is characterized by its high intake of vegetables, fish, and fermented foods, which are beneficial for gut health. Nutritional supplements derived from these traditional foods can further enhance their health benefits. Embracing these dietary elements can inspire individuals to adopt a more holistic approach to nutrition, ultimately promoting a longer and healthier life. Evidence-based benefits scientific research has increasingly highlighted the connection between diet and longevity, revealing that certain dietary patterns can significantly influence our lifespan. Evidence-based studies demonstrate that plant-based diets, which emphasize fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, are associated with reduced mortality rates. These diets are rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants, which not only promote overall health but also combat the age-related decline in bodily functions. Characteristics of Japanese cuisine, known for its delicate flavors and artistic presentation, embodies a philosophy that aligns closely with longevity and health. The traditional Japanese diet, rich in vegetables, fish, and fermented foods, offers a plethora of nutritional benefits that contribute to a longer life. Ingredients such as miso, tofu, and seaweed are not only staples but also packed with nutrients and probiotics that enhance gut health, a key factor in overall well-being. One of the defining characteristics of Japanese cuisine is its emphasis on seasonal ingredients. This practice not only ensures freshness but also encourages a diverse intake of nutrients throughout the year. Dishes are often prepared to highlight the natural flavors of the ingredients, using minimal seasoning to maintain their integrity. This approach not only supports a balanced diet but also fosters a mindful eating culture, which is essential for longevity. Portion sizes in Japanese meals are typically smaller, promoting moderation and reducing the risk of overeating. The concept of hara hachaibu, or eating until 80% full, is a cultural practice that encourages people to listen to their bodies and eat in moderation. This mindful approach to dining is complemented by the aesthetic presentation of food, which enhances the enjoyment of meals and fosters a deeper appreciation for the nutritional value of each dish. Fish is a cornerstone of the Japanese diet, providing high-quality protein and essential omega-3 fatty acids that are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of fish has been linked to a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases and cognitive decline, both of which are crucial aspects of healthy aging. Furthermore, the use of fermented foods such as natto and pickles contributes to gut health and boosts the immune system, further supporting longevity. In essence, the characteristics of Japanese cuisine reflect a holistic approach to diet and health. By prioritizing fresh, seasonal ingredients, mindful eating practices, and nutrient-dense foods, the traditional Japanese diet serves as a valuable model for those seeking to enhance their lifespan. As we continue to explore dietary patterns that promote longevity, the lessons from Japanese cuisine remind us of the profound impact of food on our health and well-being. Longevity and cultural practices significantly influence dietary habits, particularly in regions known for their longevity. In places like Okinawa, Japan, the traditional diet is rich in plant-based foods, which are not only low in calories but also high in nutrients and antioxidants. This combination supports a longer life by reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. The Okinawan approach emphasizes eating until one is 80% full, a practice that helps to control weight and encourages mindful eating. The Mediterranean diet is another exemplary cultural practice linked to longevity. This diet prioritizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, particularly olive oil. Research indicates that individuals following this eating pattern have lower instances of heart disease and improved cognitive function. The communal aspect of Mediterranean meals also fosters social connections, which are crucial for mental health and emotional well-being, further enhancing life expectancy. Anti-inflammatory diets have gained traction in various cultures as well, highlighting the importance of foods that reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating superfoods like berries, nuts, and fatty fish can help combat the effects of aging. These foods are celebrated in many cultures for their health benefits, showing that traditional knowledge often aligns with modern scientific understanding of nutrition. Low-carb diets, while not traditional in many cultures, have been embraced by some as a means to promote longevity. By reducing carbohydrate intake, individuals often experience weight loss and improved metabolic function. This dietary shift can lead to a decrease in age-related diseases, making it a viable option for those seeking to extend their lifespan, even if it diverges from established cultural practices. Finally, exploring traditional diets from longevity hotspots reveals common threads that contribute to a longer life. Nutritional supplements are also becoming popular, but many cultures rely on whole foods and herbal remedies passed down through generations. These time-honored practices remind us of the profound connection between diet, culture, and longevity, urging us to consider how our eating habits can shape our future well-being. Personalizing your eating plan. Personalizing your eating plan is a crucial step towards achieving longevity and enhancing overall well-being. Everyone has unique nutritional needs based on their genetics, health conditions, and lifestyle choices. Therefore, it is essential to approach diet not as a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather as a tailored strategy that aligns with one's personal goals, preferences, and biological requirements. This individualized approach can significantly impact health outcomes, particularly as we age. Incorporating elements from various diets known for promoting longevity, such as the Mediterranean and plant-based diets, can be beneficial. The Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, has been linked to lower risks of chronic diseases and improved lifespan. Similarly, plant-based diets, which emphasize whole foods and minimize processed items, provide essential nutrients that support cellular health and reduce inflammation, thus promoting a longer, healthier life. Additionally, understanding the role of superfoods in your diet can enhance personalization. Superfoods such as berries, nuts, and leafy greens are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. By integrating these foods into your daily meals, you can create a nutrient-dense eating plan that supports longevity. It's important to remember that the goal is not just to live longer but to live well, and incorporating these superfoods can help achieve that balance. Moreover, exploring traditional diets from longevity hotspots, like the Okinawan diet from Japan, can offer valuable insights. These diets often include unique food combinations and preparation methods that maximize nutrient absorption and flavor. Adopting aspects of these traditional eating habits can enrich your diet, providing both nutritional benefits and cultural appreciation. This holistic approach to diet ensures that you enjoy your meals while nurturing your body. Lastly, considering nutritional supplements can complement your personalized eating plan. While whole foods should be the primary source of nutrition, supplements can help fill in gaps, particularly for individuals with specific dietary restrictions or health conditions. Consulting with a healthcare professional can guide you on the right supplements to support your longevity journey. By crafting a personalized eating plan that incorporates these diverse elements, you are not only investing in your health but also enhancing your quality of life as you age. Practical tips for implementation. Implementing dietary changes for longevity can seem daunting, but practical strategies can make the transition smoother. Start by gradually incorporating more plant-based foods into your meals. This might include swapping red meat for legumes or adding extra servings of fruits and vegetables to your plate. By taking small steps, you can build a dietary habit that supports a longer, healthier life without feeling overwhelmed by drastic changes. The Mediterranean diet is renowned for its health benefits, and adopting its principles can be easier than you think. Focus on using olive oil as your primary fat, enjoying fish a few times a week, and incorporating whole grains, nuts, and seeds into your meals. Experimenting with herbs and spices can also enhance flavor without adding extra calories. These small adjustments not only align with the Mediterranean way of eating but can also lead to significant long-term health benefits. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can also promote longevity. Foods such as blueberries, walnuts, and kale are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. Try to include a variety of these superfoods in your weekly meal plan. Preparing simple dishes that highlight these ingredients can make it easier to enjoy their health benefits. Remember, it's not just about individual foods, but how they fit into your overall dietary pattern. For those interested in anti-inflammatory diets, consider focusing on foods that reduce inflammation in the body. This can include fatty fish, leafy greens, and whole grains. Additionally, be mindful of reducing processed foods and sugars as these can contribute to inflammation. Cooking more at home can help you control the ingredients in your meals, making it easier to adhere to an anti-inflammatory approach. Lastly, exploring traditional diets from longevity hotspots, such as the traditional Japanese diet, can provide inspiration for your own eating habits. This diet is rich in fish, vegetables, and fermented foods, which are known for their health benefits. By learning about and implementing elements from these traditional diets, you can create a diversified and enjoyable eating pattern that supports your journey towards longevity. Emerging research in nutrition. Emerging research in nutrition is shedding light on how specific dietary patterns can significantly influence longevity and overall health. As we age, the importance of what we consume becomes increasingly apparent, with studies revealing that diets rich in natural whole foods can play a crucial role in extending lifespan. Notably, plant-based diets, which emphasize fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, have gained attention for their potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote healthy aging. The Mediterranean diet, characterized by its abundance of olive oil, fish, nuts, and fresh produce, continues to be a focal point of research into longevity. This dietary pattern is not only delicious but has also been linked to a lower incidence of heart disease and improved cognitive function in older adults. The synergy of its components, particularly the anti-inflammatory properties of foods like fatty fish and colorful vegetables, supports the notion that eating in harmony with nature may be one of the keys to a longer life. Anti-inflammatory diets have also garnered interest as a means to combat the effects of aging. By incorporating foods known for their anti-inflammatory effects, such as berries, leafy greens, and spices like turmeric, individuals may mitigate age-related inflammation and its associated health risks. Research suggests that maintaining a diet low in processed foods and rich in these natural anti-inflammatories can contribute to improved longevity and vitality in later years. Low-carb diets, while often associated with weight loss, are being scrutinized for their long-term effects on aging. Emerging studies indicate that a moderate reduction in carbohydrate intake may enhance metabolic health and support healthy aging. By focusing on high-quality protein sources and healthy fats, individuals may find a balance that promotes longevity without the pitfalls of extreme dietary restrictions. Lastly, the exploration of superfoods and traditional diets from longevity hotspots around the world offers fascinating insights into dietary practices that promote a longer, healthier life. Nutritional supplements, when used strategically, can also complement a well-rounded diet, potentially providing essential nutrients that may be lacking in our modern diets. The traditional Japanese diet, rich in fish, fermented foods, and seasonal vegetables, serves as a prime example of how cultural dietary practices can contribute to longevity, making it a subject of great interest for future research in nutrition and aging. Optimizing diet for a healthier future. Optimizing diet for a healthier future is essential for enhancing longevity and improving quality of life. A balanced approach to nutrition, particularly through plant-based diets, has gained attention for its potential to reduce chronic diseases and promote overall well-being. Embracing a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes not only provides vital nutrients but also fosters a sustainable lifestyle, aligning with modern values of health and environmental consciousness. The Mediterranean diet stands out as a prime example of how traditional eating patterns can influence lifespan. Rich in healthy fats, particularly from olive oil, along with an abundance of vegetables, fish, and moderate wine consumption, this diet has been associated with lower rates of heart disease and cognitive decline. By integrating these elements into daily meals, individuals can make significant strides toward achieving better health outcomes and longevity. In addition to these diets, anti-inflammatory foods play a crucial role in optimizing health. Chronic inflammation is linked to various age-related conditions, making it vital to include foods such as berries, fatty fish, and nuts. These superfoods not only combat inflammation but also provide antioxidants that protect cells from damage, thereby supporting a longer, healthier life. Low-carb diets have also emerged as a popular choice for those seeking to enhance their lifespan. By reducing carbohydrate intake, individuals can improve metabolic health, potentially leading to weight loss and decreased risk of diabetes. However, it is important to focus on quality by choosing nutrient-dense low-carb options, ensuring the body receives essential vitamins and minerals while promoting longevity. Finally, exploring traditional diets from longevity hotspots, such as the Japanese diet, reveals valuable insights into optimizing nutrition for a healthier future. Rich in fish, rice, and vegetables, this diet emphasizes portion control and balance, contributing to the remarkable life expectancy seen in these regions. By learning from these dietary practices and incorporating nutritional supplements where necessary, individuals can take proactive steps towards a healthier and more vibrant future. From plate to lifespan, the impact of diet on aging explores how plant-based diets rich in vegetables, legumes, and healthy fats can combat oxidative stress and inflammation, key contributors to aging. Highlighting the Mediterranean and Okinawan diets, the book reveals how these traditional eating patterns promote longevity through nutrient-dense foods and social connections. By embracing a mindful approach to nutrition, readers can unlock the secrets to a longer, healthier life.